The next big thing is pensions. When my father's business went out, and I know pensions well too, when they went out of business, all of the women in the International Ladies Garment Workers Union all got their pensions from one big pension company. It was all a multiple employer pension. And so they put all the money into one big pool. Well, they didn't manage the pool. The pool was underfunded. And every individual company had to pay the difference. Well, they were coming back to small operation, you know, it's $1 million. And that was a huge sum of money. And to be told, well, we screwed up, so you need to pay. That's the problem. And these pensions, not only are they poorly managed, but a couple of things have happened where the people are living very long, which I know is a blessing, but it's a drain on the monies. And they're also make the assumption that we're going to see returns on stocks and equities of 8% per year. And this is one of those things that just terrifies me. When I was in business school, when you had to figure out, they say, well, if you got stocks, 8% a year. Oh, you're sending your kids to college in 23 years? 8% a year. You got a kid going to college in 10 years? 8% a year. That's what they tell you you'll make in stocks. It's automatic. Just buy them and hold them. You make 8%. We all have been fed that. The problem is that 8% took place when the U.S. was going through the Industrial Revolution and we were seeing all this great stuff happening. And we got 8%. I don't know that we can get 8%. Bill Gross has been adamantly saying we're not going to get 8%. We're not going to see the return on our assets like we used to. And so the scary thing out there is all the people who not only did they, we've got to grow our assets to meet our obligations in the future, and our assets aren't growing as fast as we thought they would, and the obligations are now larger than we thought they would be. And it's just a matter of how we're going to adjust that. Now, one of the things I'm adamant about is if we do something big in this country, something massive, where we redo the way we do things, and we grow the economy, we grow our way out of all these problems. And that's why growth is so important. I'm not sure that what we've signed up for with projects that are ready to go now, I'm afraid I really am not happy with the stimulus package at all. It's like pouring gasoline on your barbecue fire. Let's pour, sure, the flames roar up and you get a lot more heat, but then what? Then it dies out and that's it. So I'm a little bit concerned that we're not laying the groundwork to future growth. We're just putting Band-Aids on it.